I just hooked up again with another fish. It's a bass. Sorry, I got the camera on late. Bass came up and hammered it. I'm bad when it comes to getting these cameras ready.
12 maybe?
Yeah, ain't huge.
Just a little one.
We're still looking for some nice perch, but hey, another fish.
I guess he's like 14, that perch is like 12.
Sweet. We're doing good so far.
Got wrapped in the transducer. Alright.
See if we can mark one really quick. See. Oh, it's too hard to see. On there, yeah, it's kind of glitching out. We're fishing about 16, 17 feet. See if we can hook one more quick on video. He came up and throttled it.
Make sure I drilled in the exact same hole.
Yeah.
It was a little rough going on.
We need to hook in there like a 15-inch perch like that. That won't be going back down the hole. That'd be going on the wall.
Add to the collection.
Yep. Yeah, I got a few fish I want to get mounted so far, but a perch, big perch like that would have to probably come in first.
What about them big rainbow trout you guys caught not too long ago?
Yeah, them rainbows too, they're nice.
I got a bass and a brook trout.
I got a duck as a taxidermist right now. Can't wait to see that when it's done.
It's a lot of money.
Somewhere in the bottom or no? Alright, well I'll get the camera going again if we can hook up with another fish. Wish us luck. 14-inch perch, here we go.